Did you have a bad day? Does your back hurt? Did your dog die? Did your wife leave you? And she took your kids? Do you feel like you are not really where you wanted to be in your life right now? Don't worry. There is one thing to help you. Make a road roller. First, you need to make a 3D model. That will take a few weeks. Then you have to paint it and print it. It is cheaper than drugs for sure. Now you have to cut all the pieces and glue them together. It takes forever, so you will forget your pain. And now you have your personal road roller. You can make a digger too. Or maybe a bulldozer. Or something else entirely.